3 simple steps to make any financial goal very easy to achieve. Step 1. Define your goal. So what is it that you want to achieve? After establishing what is it that you want to achieve, you want to write down this goal and make it as specific as possible. That is by making the goal SMART. SMART here means that the goal is specific. It means you state exactly what you want to achieve. Your goal is measurable. It means that you'll be able to track your progress along the road. Your goal is attainable. When looking at your circumstances, this goal you have set for yourself, will you be able to achieve it? Will you be able to attain it? Yeah, and make the goal realistic and then time bound. You need to set a time frame for yourself to achieve the goal. So for instance, your goal is to save 20,000 Ghana cedis towards traveling abroad or something, or buying a piece of land, or even paying school fees. Step 2. Break down the goal to its smallest unit to make it easy to achieve. So this is an annual goal, that is to save 20,000 cedis in 1 year. So now break it down to a monthly goal. So you divide 20,000 Ghana cedis by 12 months. This will give you around 1,667 Ghana cedis. Further break it down to weekly goal. So 1,666 Ghana cedis divided by 4 weeks in a month will be around 416 Ghana cedis per week. To even make it more easier, break it down to daily goals. 416 Ghana cedis divided by 7 days in a week will be approximately 60 Ghana cedis. So if you can afford to save 60 Ghana cedis on daily basis for the next 12 months, then it means you'll be able to save 20 Ghana cedis towards whatever you want to use it for. My step 3 will be to take daily actions to achieve your goal. So now that you have broken down the 20,000 Ghana cedis goal into a monthly goal, to weekly goal, and to even a daily goal, you need to take daily actions to achieve this goal. So we have realized that you need 60 cedis a day to achieve this goal. So if you can do anything to be able to save 60 cedis a day consistently for the next 12 months, then it means you can achieve your goal. Easy, right? Try it.